Filing taxes for your limited liability company can seem daunting, but with the right knowledge, you can navigate the process successfully. This video will guide you through the essentials of doing LLC taxes yourself. LLCs have a unique tax structure. Unlike corporations, they are not taxed as separate entities. Instead, profits and losses pass through to the members' personal tax returns. This flexibility allows LLC owners to choose how they want to be taxed. LLCs can elect to be taxed as a sole proprietorship, partnership, S corporation, or C corporation. Your choice will determine which forms you need to file. Single-member LLCs typically use Schedule C, while multi-member LLCs file Form 1065. If you opt for corporate taxation, you might use Form 1120 or 1120S. As an LLC owner, you may be responsible for self-employment tax in addition to federal and state income taxes. The current self-employment tax rate is 15.3%, covering Social Security and Medicare contributions. However, electing S corporation status can potentially reduce this tax burden. LLCs can take advantage of various business deductions to lower their taxable income. These may include home office expenses, vehicle use for business purposes, health insurance premiums, and retirement contributions. Additionally, certain tax credits like the Research and Development Credit or the Work Opportunity Tax Credit might be available to your LLC. Unlike employees with taxes withheld from their paychecks, LLC owners often need to make quarterly estimated tax payments. This applies if you expect to owe more than $1,000 in federal taxes for the year. To avoid penalties, you can use the safe harbor rule, paying either 100% of last year's tax liability or 90% of the current year's expected tax. Remember that state and local tax obligations vary. Some states impose additional LLC fees, franchise taxes, or have specific filing requirements. It's crucial to check your state's tax agency website or consult a tax professional for guidance on local compliance. Keeping accurate records is essential for tax filing and potential audits. Maintain detailed documentation of all income, expenses, and business transactions throughout the year. In conclusion, filing LLC taxes yourself is possible with proper preparation and understanding. By knowing your tax election options, required forms, available deductions, and payment obligations, you can navigate the process more confidently. However, if your LLC structure is complex or you're unsure about any aspects, consider seeking help from a qualified tax professional.